how to use the new Windows 11 File Explorer. So if you want to use the new Windows 11 File Explorer, then what you need to do is first you need to press Windows and E keys together, which will open up your File Explorer. Once you open up your File Explorer, now you just need simply go with the file, any file that you're comfortable with. After that, you need to just right click on it, go with more options, and then you'll have properties. You can go with properties, and under properties, here under properties, you will have the customize option. You can go with customize, and then under customize, you can go with change icon, and from here you can select any other icon that you're comfortable with, and after that go with OK and apply OK, and your icon will be changed. Now you can modify the default location that File Explorer opens to for quicker access to your most used files. So select the most used file, and then you need to click on the three dots which is on the top and go with the options to open up that folder options, and go with the Open File Explorer, and here you can simply select any option from these three options, and that's it. You can go with apply and OK. And to see more of your folder hierarchy, you need to press Control Shift plus E. So once you press Control Shift E, as you can see that here on the left side, you'll be able to see more options. Like for example, if you go with the local disk C, which is right here, then if you press Control Shift E, you'll be able to see all of these other folders right here. You can also pin the folders or files to get a quick access, or you can keep them on your favorites by right clicking or drag and dropping. You can just simply go with any folder that you are comfortable with, and from here you can drag and drop the folder on the top. You can also just right click on it, and you will have an option of pin to quick access or pin to task or start, which means it will pin that folder and you don't need to search for that folder again. You will be having that folder on your quick access or on your start. You'll also be able to use your recycle bin on your quick access. You'll be able to use that on your quick access. Like you need to just drag and drop your recycle bin right here under your quick access. And once you drag and drop like this, here you will have recycle bin. So you just need simply drag and drop to the quick access. And once you pin that to the quick access, you'll be able to use that recycle bin right here from your file explorer. Now, if you have many files and if you want to batch rename that file, then what you can do is you just need simply go with the folders. Now here you need to select the first one. So you can either press F2, and once you press F2, it will take you to the rename section, or you can also just simply right click and you'll have the rename option, or this is also a rename section. So you need to click on here, and once you go with the rename now, for example, if you rename this one as demo1, then you can just simply press tab to rename the next file. So simply press tab and it will take you to the next file. And here you need to go with demo2. After that, again, go with tab. And now you need to go with demo3. And this way you'll be able to rename all those files. So these were the few tricks, or that's how you can use your Windows 11 File Explorer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.